Well, it's time to go. I take off in the morning for the Idaho BDR. I just wanted to share a couple moments of my preparation. Well, it's getting close. We're under 2 weeks now till it's time to get on the Idaho BDR. So tonight I'm out here doing a little work, doing some test fitting for the bags. I've got my sleeping bag and tent and sleeping pad and stuff, my chair. I came up tonight with a great idea to get some good shots. The bike has this rack on the back, and I was able to put some mounts, 3 different mounts, so that while I'm riding, I can have the Insta360 here up above me. Let me move it here, give you an idea. I can have it out to the side. So it looks like somebody's passing me on either side. I think that's going to give me some great shots. I'm going to grab a couple of the GoPro mounts and see if I can hook it up here on the handlebars. And do a little more looking, see if there's somewhere else I can hook it up. I've got to get my other phone mount connected, the quad lock, but I want the one that charges it as I go without having to plug the cord into it. It's getting down to crunch time, so I'm starting to get things ready. Wanted to show you, after working on the sewing machine, I have the extra battery pack connected. So during the day, I'll have all my backup batteries ready to go for the evening. Okay, I've taken the time to collect a lot of my gear. It's ready to go. I'll run through it, kind of show you the basics of what I've got. I've got my outfit, pants, jacket, and a shirt that's all matching. I've got all the panniers on the bike ready to go. Okay, I dug up my, also another part of the bike is the helmet. I ended up getting a newer helmet for this ride. This is my Enlightened Equipment quilt. I've switched over the years from using a sleeping bag to using a quilt. We use a MSR Hubba Hubba or Hubba tent. The Hubba is the single person, Hubba Hubba is the 2-person. I'm going to take the 2-person tent. That way if it happens to be a storm, I can get inside, spread my gear out, see what's going on. A little bit more room makes it a lot more comfortable. And being on the bike compared to hiking, that's a nice little lunch. I'm taking a Jetboil Stash. I used that when I was hiking. The fuel, a titanium spoon to eat with. For water filtration, I do have a filter, the Sawyer Squeeze. And I like this one. It's called a SteriPen, and you put the water 1 liter at a time in an Algin bottle, and then use this. Gives off ultraviolet light that kills or disrupts bacteria and things in the water. You don't always have perfectly clean water, but it is safe to drink. I use this a bunch while I'm out hiking. Of course, a sleeping pad. One of my luxury items when I'm backpacking, I'm going to take it with me on the bike, is an inflatable pillow. Sandals for at night when I take the bike boots off. I like to take a piece of Tyvek for a ground mat in case I want to just lay down somewhere in the middle of the day and take a break. This is my ditty bag. It's got all the stuff like toothpaste and Band-Aids and all those kind of things. For water, I've got 4 liters of storage here that I can have with me. I think we'll be okay in Idaho as far as not having to do long stretches without water, but I'll be ready. 4 liters. When I'm hiking, I usually use about 1 liter for every 5 miles of hiking, and I don't know how that's actually going to work spending the time on the bike during the day. And of course, a few clothes, a sun shirt. I like merino wool shirts when I'm off the trail, and a swimming suit. And you can see over here my pile of camera equipment. I've got an Insta360 with a remote. I've got a couple of GoPros with remotes. So my plan is to get some nice video so that I can share when I get back. So I hope you like these activities I go on. I do. I just like to share them. Hopefully somebody can get some enjoyment out of it. Sadly, I know there's a few people that are my age that can't do it anymore. So come along, like, subscribe, and come on back. Go have fun with this.